Ever wondered how AI can help you in your daily communication? Let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence, a technology that's rapidly transforming numerous aspects of our lives. From virtual assistants to automated emails, AI is making communication more efficient and effective. It can even understand context, learn from interactions, and provide personalized responses. This isn't science fiction, it's today's reality. One of the most innovative applications of AI in communication is a tool called ChatGPT. So what exactly is this ChatGPT we're talking about? Well, ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. This sophisticated technology uses machine learning to generate text that mirrors human-like conversation. From answering your burning queries to penning down essays or crafting succinct summaries, ChatGPT has the ability to do it all. It's like having a virtual assistant, but one that learns, adapts, and communicates like a human. But how does ChatGPT work? Let's delve a little deeper. The magic of ChatGPT lies in its neural network architecture. Picture it as a diligent student, learning from a vast library of internet text. However, it doesn't remember specific books or documents. Rather, it picks up patterns, structures, and information. When you converse with ChatGPT, it doesn't recall any specific source, but generates responses based on what it has learned, almost like a seasoned debater speaking on a topic. So, it's clear that ChatGPT is a powerful tool. But what are the key points you should remember? ChatGPT is more than just a fancy tech tool. It's a revolutionary AI language model designed by the innovators at OpenAI. Using advanced machine learning, it generates human-like text, answering queries, writing essays, and more, all while learning from the colossal library of internet text. It's not just about tech, it's about the future of communication. As we embrace the future, tools like ChatGPT will become increasingly integral in our daily communications.